Good day to you all. My name is Liam Change. I'm going to present about the disease outbreak predictions using machine learning and farmers locator application. My supervisor for the dissertation is Dr. Mshir. As an introduction, outbreaks of disease can happen at any time without anyone noticing. Different methods for predicting the outbreaks are already there, but there is need to further improve the accuracy of those methods. Our problem statement: disease outbreaks are occurring at any time without even a warning. Due to the increase in the healthcare data, there is need to improve the current methods for predicting disease outbreaks. The data to be analyzed is there, but a proper method for analyzing all the big data is not yet available. Our aim is to come up with a method to predict disease outbreaks. The methods combine the use of machine learning algorithms using supervised machine learning to analyze structured data and unstructured data from hospitals and clinics. Then on top of that, in order to rebuild our missing data, we are going to use the pharmacy locator application. Our objective is to create a system that will predict disease outbreaks. The second objective is to improve the current methods that are currently used for disease outbreaks prediction. Lastly, our last objective is to prevent outbreaks of diseases. Our justification: making use of drug search results from the pharmacy locator application to improve the accuracy of disease prediction algorithms, to help rebuild missing data. So the pharmacy locator application is new in the industry of predicting diseases because we are going to use it to rebuild the missing data. Then this is the architecture of supervised machine learning that we are going to use for prediction. So how supervised machine learning works is we provide our input data and also the possible output data. So first we train our model and we give it the desired output that is supposed to produce. So after training our model, that is the one that we are going to use in our predictions. Then as for the pharmacy locator application, just to summarize, a pharmacy locator application is an application that can be used by anyone to search for medicine. So what the pharmacy locator does, it shows you the location of the nearest pharmacy. So a person will search for a drug that they are looking for, then it displays pharmacies which sells that drug. So in the background now, we will be collecting the name of the drug that was searched, the date, and the current location of the person searching for the drug. As you can see, we will capture the latitude and the longitude. So this is the drug search results. So we are going to use this longitude and latitude in order to categorize where the drug was searched from. So let's say we have 10 people from in the same radius searching for maybe betadine or maybe the drug for malaria, coartemata. So we can conclude that maybe in a week, this region has a risk of a prediction for malaria. This is how the drug search results are being used. Then as for viewing and analyze the data, we are going to build a web dashboard. So the web dashboard is going to be built using a REST API architecture. So we are going to have our central database. This is also the same database with the drug search results. And it's also the database that is going to store what you have analyzed using the machine learning algorithms. So in order to access data from the database, we are going to build a REST API. This helps the system to become more secure because our mobile phones and our computers won't be able to access the database directly. They will go through the REST API. So how the mobile applications and the committers access the database is through an HTTP request. They send a request to the API, then in return, the API fetches data from the database and sends it back to the mobile phones. This helps to make the system more secure and to prevent hacking. In future, we would like to improve the system so that we can come up with a mobile application that can allow anyone about outbreaks of diseases that would have been occurred in a particular place. This can help tourists that will be traveling from one place to another. As they approach a certain place, they will be notified about previous outbreaks of diseases that have been occurred, and they will be able to take necessary measurements. With this, I thank you. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.